Yeah.
Okay, fellas, come on, let's go wash our hands.
I don't know. That's like the Bontabuck, maybe.
They both went that way. Thank you.
Don't know.
It's yeah, it's a Bontabuck.
Hold on, Mommy, we'll get you sanitizer. Let me help you. I'm not going to pick you up. I'm going to get some on my hand. I'm going to pull that. Rub it in good. You want one of them in your I don't say sure. That'd be an ass.
A little bit so you can feed him a couple times.
I'm trying to get it. Over here.
I can't do that. Can you do that?
You want to get up here and see?
Good job, Please, please, please. Don't you have any more, please?
This one's shorter or something.
Oh, do you want some? You want some? You want some too?
This, you know, this could be Yule because he was young.
Mm-hmm.
Look at right here. Look at right here. You see the mom and the baby over here? When they have the overnights at the zoo, they sleep up here. Well, they used to. I don't know now what to do, but it was safe because the animals were already in the plains barn. So,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they weren't safe from raccoons and stuff that were in there, but.
He's taking a picture. Come here, baby.
Let's see them.
Oh, he's fine.
See him over there sleeping?
A lot.
There's two more over here.
Right there.
Right over here.
Right there.
Sweet pea.
The more over there.
Holy mackerel. That's a whole lot. Let's go over the other side. You can see him better. That's a lot of dogs.
That's a pretty line.
Big penis.
Do you remember?
This is the area I was thinking of. But I thought they had more bigger birds.
You think they had the birds in with the monkeys?
No. Yeah, one was like a hog with beard.
Yeah. Another hog laying in the sun.
They like that.
Over there sleeping, one over there rooting around over here.
Why is it called a red river?
Birdie. Birdie. She's a good bird.
Oh, a lot of them.
Birdie. Big birdies.
Look kind of like finches, don't they?
Yeah. Big birdies. Big birdies. There's a chipmunk on a log over there. Posing.
Yeah. Just ran off.
Like him.
If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.